Morning everybody, and welcome to Vlogmas day 24. I cannot believe we are finally here. I am so excited to see everybody, but I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much to absolutely everybody who has supported me, not only in the last 12 months through this Vlogmas, but through my whole YouTube journey. Yeah, we're all very excited to see what happens in the new year. We have no idea, but I'm sure there's lots of exciting things gonna happen here in our family, so we will see you next year. Bye. Cooking with Grandma and Hailee. Thanks, Grandma. These are for Grandpa because he needs to have gluten-free. Yummy.